In order to get the gusset correct for your leotard, you really have to think about it because it not only needs to be on the inside, it needs to be on the correct side so that it hides the crotch seam. So I went ahead and cut out the front and the back, and now I'm going to cut the gusset. And I recommend just using some scrap fabric, just because it's that small. The easiest way is to find a straight line, so I went on the edge of this fabric. And this is an adult extra small, and the gusset's gonna be maybe like 3 inches long. Usually I do about that size unless it's like a child extra small or adult extra large. Now, on the part that is closest to the belly button, you're going to serge, which you can see on the top is straight, and then on the bottom it's kind of like squared off. And this is what it looks like finished. So now you have your front, your back, and your little gusset. So I think of it like this. The gusset goes in the middle of these two pieces. So we need to make sure that these two are right sides together first. Now that they're right sides together, we're gonna put our gusset down where it should be. If we sewed it like this, then there would be a seam just going up there. We don't want no seams. So just keeping it the same way, you're just going to flip it under into the back side. So basically the right side of the gusset is facing the inside of the booty. Then you're gonna sew those together. And this is what it looks like. So now you're going to take the gusset and bring it to the front, just like it was before, but now it's sewn together. And then there you go. You don't have a raw seam. You actually have just like a actual seam so that it's not uncomfortable. And if you choose to, you can always pin down your gusset so that it is not moving while you are sewing. So then the next step would be to sew the side seam and then also do the elastic. So the elastic is going to go on the inside, and then you'll flip it to do the top stitching. Which, to be clear, the top stitching does not go on this side. It goes on the other side that I'm not showing. Just want to verify, don't want to confuse anybody. And that is how you do the gusset. Let me know if you have any questions, and of course, please follow me.